Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about those colorful clouds? I think they're called nebulae. They are like giant paintings in space, filled with amazing colors like pink, purple, and blue. But did you know that nebulae are also super important? They are the places where stars are born. Imagine a huge cloud of dust and gas swirling around, and then, boom, a new star is created in the middle of it all. How cool is that? Some nebulae are even the leftovers from stars that exploded. It's like a space recycling system that gives birth to new stars. The most famous one is the Orion Nebula, and it's super bright. When I look at pictures of it, I feel like I can almost touch the stars. Nebulae also help scientists learn about how our universe works. By studying them, we find out what elements are out there and how they form stars and planets. I dream of becoming an astronaut so I can see these amazing clouds up close. One day, I want to float among the stars and maybe find a nebula of my very own. Space is full of dreams and mysteries, and nebulae are one of my favorites. They remind me that the universe is a beautiful place, full of surprises waiting to be discovered.